We're at the National Hardware Show looking at some of the cool tools here for those of you who are out in the backyard doing some big projects. That brought me over to the Cat Tools booth, and check this out. This is the ultimate in wheelbarrow. If you're needing to move a lot of stuff, this is the tool you need to have. This is their 6 cubic foot steel wheelbarrow. They've got poly, they've got the steel. Well, we like the steel because it has got an incredible half-ton capacity. The poly does too, but there's something about steel that just makes you go, rah, rah, rah. Yeah, this is it. It's got a really cool, extra wide, flat-free tire, meaning that you can run over things and it's not going to go flat on you, which is really important if you're working around a job site. We've got some nice adjustable feet that are going to adjust as you're going into your different surfaces, so you're not going to have this sink into sand. A little wider platforms can definitely help you out. Check the handle out here. This is neat. There's 2 positions. One position, so if you wanted to grab it, if this is more comfortable for you, or if the traditional way, they're both there. Your choice, whichever one's going to give you the best feel for maneuvering this. Weighted incredibly well, so you can handle, again, up to 1,000 pounds with this. Catch, that's a lot of weight. I mean, that's a lot of kids. If you're going to give the whole baseball team a ride in this all at the same time, yeah, you can do it. You can go out to cattools.com and check this out, or any of there are a lot of cool tools here from Cat at the National Hardware Show.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.